Here's how you access messages to find your Zoom links directly in Kickstand. Whenever you have a new message, the envelope icon is going to be bouncing up and down. That's how you know you have something new to check. All you need to do is click on that icon and it will open your inbox. From there, you'll have your links from your teachers sent out to you, and whatever message is highlighted will show up over here as well. In this box, you'll get information about when your Zoom meetings are going to be and a direct link to that Zoom. All you have to do is click on that link and you'll be prompted to open your Zoom meeting and join with the audio. You'll get messages for your homeroom, for your reading teacher, and for your writing teacher if you're in 2nd through 5th grade. And you'll get a message from your homeroom teacher if you're in kindergarten or 1st grade.